Hey everyone, and welcome back to our next how-to installment. Today's chef's going to show us how to make a chocolate cream pie. Desserts can be taxing, they can take a while to make, but this is a dessert ready in a few minutes. Chef's going to show you how to be the hero at your next holiday party, or any event that is. With a couple key ingredients and some fun quick tips, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is pick up a ready-to-go pie crust. This is a graham cracker one at the store. Very simple. Grab one from the store and then grab your ingredients. The next one is going to be your filler. Chef's going to go with a classic chocolate fudge pudding. You can use whatever you want though. Just follow the directions. It's going to be a little bit of milk and some stirring, then put that in the fridge. Once it's fully, set, place this in your pie crust and then just smooth it around. Afterwards, you're going to top this with some whipped cream or Cool Whip. Chef's going to do one of each. So this is the whipped cream. He's just going to spray along the outside and work his way in. And then he's going to put some chocolate shavings on it. Now, if you do make this with the whipped cream like this, you got to serve it right away because whipped cream is airy and will break down. If you want to last a little longer, go ahead and use this technique. This is the Cool Whip. It's the thicker, denser topping. You can put this back in the fridge. This is one of each. And as you can see, they both came out really well, and they were very delicious. And they just took a matter of minutes to make. So as you can see, Chef's going to go ahead and remove a piece, and it has a great structure. He let this sit in the fridge for a few minutes, came out solid, and just an overall delicious dessert to make. We do really hope you enjoyed this video, this quick how-to, and we thank you for stopping by. We do hope you try it out. Use a different filling, be creative, but within a few minutes, you can put together a very simple cream pie. Is there something that you want us to make? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll do a how-do video on it. Until next time, I'm the narrator, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everyone.